Og hér erum við með hlaupara frá Kaliforníu. So you come from California?
Yes, I'm here to see the beautiful scenery.
Is it the first time in Iceland?
Second time. Last time I came, I had an injury, so I couldn't run it.
Are you an experienced runner?
I've done maybe 30 marathons,
Okay.
but never one this long.
So what is your fastest time in marathon?
5 hours. But here I'm hoping to make the cutoff time since I keep hearing there's snow.
Are you well prepared?
I hope so.
So how many miles have you been doing a week recently?
Between 25 and 40 kilometers a day, 3 times a week.
But are you used to landscape like this?
Mountains I'm used to, just not mountains with snow.
So you're not afraid to tackle this event?
Crawl on my hands if I have to. Yeah, it'll be okay, hopefully. Time will tell.
So your expectation is just to finish and have a good time?
Yes. I don't care how long it takes.
Are you part of a group or?
No, I'm here by myself.
Okay, good luck to you.